Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to walk through a crucial aspect of crypto trading analysis, which is calculating the OHLC, open, high, low and close prices, or you can also call it K-line. We are using BitQuery streaming API and JavaScript to get this. Now you might be wondering, why is OHLC or K-line so important? Well, these four prices are essential for understanding the market movement of a token within a specific time frame. But there's more to it. In this video, I'll show you how we remove extreme trades like those caused by bots to get cleaner, more reliable data. So let's jump straight into it. We will break this process into two simple steps. First, we will filter out extreme trades that may be caused by bots or anomalies. We will achieve this by calculating the 95th percentile and the 5th percentile of trade prices. This allows us to focus on the most stable trades and remove any potential noise. Then we will calculate the OHLC open, high, low and close prices using plain JavaScript functions on the trades in the past 1 hour. Alright, let's dive into the code. Firstly, do npm install Axios and then npm install .env. So Axios is for the API fetching and .env package is for using the environment variables. Here are some configuration variables: API URL, auth token, which we are getting from environment, main currency address, site currency address, or pair address. You can get the OHLC for any other pair address also. Just change these three values. Here's a helper function to calculate the timestamp. Here we are calling it in the fetch percentiles function. I'm getting the last 1 hour, so I have put here 60. This function will calculate the last 60-minute timestamp. And then here we are doing the API fetching. Here we are using BitQuery's quantile function to calculate the 5th and 95th percentiles of the trade prices for the past 1 hour. This helps us filter out the extreme trades often caused by bots or anomalies and get a more stable dataset for calculating the OHLC. This step is crucial to ensure that our OHLC values reflect the true market sentiment, not the noise created by outliers. To make it more visual, let me take you to the BitQuery ID and show you the response we get from this query. Just click on Run Query and you get the percentile 5th and percentile 95th of the trade prices. I will share you these queries in the YouTube video description. With the percentiles in hand, we will move to fetch the trades and compute the OHLC. Here's how we do it. We have the function to fetch trades and compute the OHLC. We are getting lower bound price and upper bound price from the percentiles. So that will be our lower bound price and upper bound price. First 5 percentile and last 5 percentile of the trade prices. And just get the trades between these prices. Here we get the timestamp 1 hour ago by calling the function get timestamp and passing the variable 60. Then here we fetch the trades using the BitQuery API. In this part, we use the filtered price range from 5th to 95th percentile to fetch the trades for the past 1 hour. Let me show you the response we get from this query in the IDE. Just click on run query and we will get block time and trade price in USD for each of the trades occurred in the last hour for this particular trading pair between these lower bound price and upper bound price range. Once we have those trades, we use JavaScript to calculate the OHLC. Let's walk through that logic. To compute the OHLC, we take the following approach. High and low are basic. We can just get the highest value of the trade price and the lowest value of the trade price. We have arranged the trades in the order of descending block time. So the latest trade will be the first array object with the index 0. So that's why we are getting the close here as trades 0 and the open will be the last in that response. So this is how you calculate the OHLC using the raw trades data. Let's save the file and now write here the command node index.js and press enter, and you will see the open, high, low and close prices, which is OHLC or K-line values. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.